YouTube family, what is going on? Coming live from the beautiful city of Carpinteria. We're at their state beach today. This beach doesn't really get talked about because, in my opinion, it doesn't. And the reason being, you know, Santa Barbara's next door and Malibu is 30 minutes away. Then you got LA, but this is a low-key beach here, and I'm excited to show you guys. It's really crowded today, and June gloom in California is a real thing. Let me show y'all why my black ass don't go in the Pacific Ocean. Because of stuff like this. This is why I don't go to the Pacific Ocean, man. Beach update, guys. We're currently on a bathroom break. Beach is flooded with families and just people all down the stretch of the beach, so maybe it just was a low-key spot to me. I don't know. Getting kind of hungry. Ellen tried this farm-to-table restaurant called Circe yesterday, and she had some ahi tuna dish that looked very tasty, so probably gonna go there and try that out. Okay guys, so we made it to the end of the beach. We're pretty much at the jetty rocks, and this is pretty much all private property up here, but I'm sneaking a look up here really quick to give you guys a full view. Yeah man, there's really no one on this side of the beach. Everyone is down on that side, and I get it because it's private property over here, but it's still free access. Still free access to the beach. But this is Carpinteria. This is Carpinteria, man. I came here 2 months ago trying to vlog, and I was hit with nothing but gloom, and it's still following me today. So guys, so we're at Circe, and Circe is a farm-to-table restaurant. I've never been to a farm-to-table restaurant, so I'm super excited. Bad news, not bad news, but sad news. Circe is closed right now, so they're open from, I think, what, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and they open back up at 5. So we didn't know, but yeah, so we're just gonna go walk around and maybe find a latte or something. We're at Carpinteria Ave and Linden Street. Linden Street is the happening street or the poppin' street out here, I should say. So we're gonna walk down here. Look like they have something going on. I think it was some type of parade or something. This street, so we're down Linden Street, it's closed off, we can walk straight through it. This reminds me a lot of State Street in Santa Barbara, and a lot like downtown Ventura as well. should be opening up in about 10 minutes, so we're gonna head back over there and get something in my belly, man, because I haven't had anything to eat all day. The only thing I had was watermelon. It's either a salted caramel drink or a sea salt caramel. I can't remember. But the barista recommended it. And it's really delicious. Overall, it's not bad. I would get it again. YouTube family, what is going on? Day 2 here at Carpinteria City Beach. Yesterday I said we were at State Beach, but we're at City Beach to be politically correct. And I'm walking with a full stomach. I just left Lucky Llama. Had a delicious breakfast bagel and a magnificent acai bowl. Ellen's searching for sand crabs. Let's see what we got.
Quite a few in there, little mini ones.
Yeah, there are. Siam Elephant was delicious. I highly recommend you go there too. But that is our day here at Carpinteria. This Carpinteria trip is like a little teaser for our big trip coming up. So we're going to be in Oregon, Seattle, and Vancouver. So super excited.
Adventures and food.
Food. I know. I'm going to gain like 30 pounds. See you guys.